Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll be working with the order by and the top clause. We'll start with the order by clause. So order by is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. And by default, order by sorts the records in ascending order. So let's have a look at the syntax. We'll start with the select keyword and then given the column list. Then we'll use the from keyword and give the table name. Following which we'll type the keywords order, by, and give the columns with respect to which you want to sort the data. And finally, we'll state whether the ordering should be in ascending or descending. And I've already told you guys that by default, the sorting is done in ascending order. And if you want the sorting to be done in descending order, we will use the DESC keyword. So I want to sort the table with respect to the salary column in ascending order. So this would be the command for that. Select star from, the name of the table is employee. After which I will use the keywords order by and then given the name of the column, which would be salary. And since I want it with respect to ascending order, so I don't need to add anything else. So let me hit execute. Right. So we have successfully sorted this table in ascending order, right? So Julia has the lowest salary and Matt over here has the highest salary. So this is an ascending order, 73,000, 80,000, 95,000 and goes on till 159,000. Now let's say I want to sort this table in descending order of the salary. So for that, all I need to do is add in the keyword DESC. Let me hit execute. Right. So this time the table is sorted in descending order. Right. So over here at the top we have the maximum salary, which is 159,000, and at the bottom we have the lowest salary, which is 73,000. Now let's look at the top clause. The top clause is used to fetch the top n records from a table. So top clause is useful on large tables with thousands of records. And this is the syntax. We've got the select keyword first, then we type in top, and then the number of records we want to see in our result, followed by the column list. And then we use the from keyword and given the name of the table. So I want to see only the top 3 records from the entire employee table. So this would be the command for that. Select, and then I will use the top keyword. And since I want 3 records, the number would be 3. And since I want to see all of the columns, I will put in star over here. Then I want all of these records from the employee table. So this is the entire command. Select top 3 star from employee. I'll hit execute, right? So I've got the top 3 records from the table. Now I will use the top clause and the order by clause and fetch the 3 oldest employees of this company. So let me write the command for that. Select top 3 star. So I've used the top clause to fetch the top 3 records. Now this would be from the employee table, and then I will use the order by clause. So I want to order it with respect to the age of the employee, and I want it in descending order. That is, the employee who has the maximum age should be at the top. Now let me hit execute. So I've got 3 records over here, and the records are arranged in descending order of their age. So Sam has the highest age, 45, and Julia over here has the lowest age, 30, right? So Sam, Matt and Julia are the 3 senior most employees of this company. And this is how we can work with the order by clause and the top clause. In the next session, we'll work with the group by statement. So thanks for attending this session. Let's meet in the next class.